Howdy cowboys and cowgirls, I'm Cowboy Jack, and today I'm really excited. You know what I've got to get done? I haven't had it done in about 6 months. I need to get these chompers cleaned. Do you guys ever go to the dentist? If you've never been before, we're going to learn all about going to the dentist today. Some people might think it's a little bit scary, but it's not scary at all. It's actually a whole lot of fun. Today, do you see where we are? We're at Georgetown Pediatric Dentistry and Orthodontics in Georgetown, Texas. Wow, that's really cool. Well, let's go inside and let's get to our dental appointment. It's gonna be a whole lot of fun. Are you guys ready? I'm ready, let's go. Come on, wow. This is such a cool dental office, and we're about to go in and get these pearly whites pearly white again. Hi there, I'm Cowboy Jack and I'm here to get my teeth cleaned.
Hi, so I got you all checked in. You can go ahead and have a seat.
Okay, great. See, I told her that I'm here for my appointment and she told me I'm checked in. That means I can sit down in the waiting area and wait for them to call my name, Cowboy Jack. Boy, this is a nice spacious waiting area. See, we're here in the dental office and there is absolutely nothing scary. It's actually a really nice place, full of really nice smiling people. I'm not nervous, it's really cool. Wow guys, well I just had a snack and I'm here at my dental appointment, so I probably ought to go ahead and brush my teeth before they do their cleaning. They gave me this really cool toothbrush. It's in a package and you know what? It already has toothpaste in it. At home you have to put your toothpaste right on the toothbrush, but this is a special dentist office toothbrush. It already has the toothpaste on it. They said I could go in here and brush my teeth, so come on. All right, I'm gonna open up the package. Look at that, a big bright red toothbrush, and it's already got the toothpaste on the bristles. You can't really see it, but it's water activated. That's really neat. All right, so I got it wet. Now remember, it's important to brush your teeth twice a day. You do it first thing when you wake up in the morning and before you go to bed at night. That helps keep your teeth really clean. And whenever you brush for a full 2 minutes. So there's a lot of things that take 2 minutes. Brushing your teeth is one of them. You need to make sure you take at least 2 minutes to brush. I'm gonna show you how I brush mine. You see how I'm brushing the top and the bottom? It's important to make sure you get all of your teeth on the sides, the outside, and the inside. You gotta make sure they're clean all the way around. Wow, that was 2 minutes already, and my teeth feel really clean. That was so cool, with the toothpaste already on there. Well, at home, you rinse off your toothbrush and you put it back in the toothbrush holder. Since this is one that they gave me, and it's just a single-use toothbrush, I used it and now I'm gonna throw it in the garbage. All right, now I'm gonna dry my hands off and get back to waiting for my appointment. Let's go back out to the waiting area. There's so many different chairs to choose from. I don't even know which one I want to sit in. You know what? I heard they have a really unique waiting area just for kiddos here, because this is a pediatric dentist's office. Do you guys want to go check that out? Let's go see. Whoa, do you guys see this? This is unreal. This is so cool. They have a whole little town here with little houses. Hey, this looks fit for a cowboy because it's a cowboy town. That's really cool. Here you've got Darcy's Diner full of home cooking. You could go in there and make yourself a really nice meal. That'd be cool. Here's a dental office and it says Dr. Kenny and Dr. Travis. I think those are the guys that are gonna be cleaning my teeth today. That's really cool. Right here we've got Molly's Mercantile. I bet they sell all kinds of goodies in there. Wow, this play area is really cool. Even the flooring is unique. I mean, this looks like a pebble path, and then you've got some grass over here. Wow, we've got some colorful blocks to play with. These are really soft and squishy. Do you guys know what colors these are? What color is this one? Yeah, it's green. And then this one right here, my favorite color, orange. I wonder if I could juggle these. We give it a try. Not too bad for a cowboy, huh? All right, well, we better go back out there and sit down and wait for our appointment. All right, well, I guess we just sit and wait for them to call my name.
Cowboy Jack, I'm ready for you.
Wait a second, they called Cowboy Jack. It's go time, guys. This is gonna be a whole lot of fun. I cannot wait for my pearly whites to get all clean. Hi there, I'm Cowboy Jack.
Cowboy Jack, I'm Paola.
All right, great.
Follow me.
Wow, Paola is gonna help us get our teeth cleaned. We're gonna follow her right into the office.
So this is where we come on back. I'm gonna see how much you weigh today, okay?
Oh,
Stand right here for me.
are you sure you wanna know how much Cowboy Jack weighs? I might break this scale, guys.
Perfect. Wonderful.
Woo, that's a big number. You guys don't look at that.
Follow me this way. I'll show you where we'll get your x-rays next.
X-rays?
Oh,
Wow.
we have to make sure you have no cavities in between your teeth, Cowboy Jack.
Oh, okay. I hope I don't have any cavities. That wouldn't be very good.
You can have a seat right there.
Okay.
Perfect. This is Stephanie. She's helping us get set up.
All right. Hi, Stephanie.
Hi.
Look at all these big tools you have. This is really nice. All right, so she's about to do our x-rays. That's gonna be really fun. What is that you're holding?
This is our lead apron. It's just to make sure you are covered up. We're only taking x-rays of your teeth, so we'll protect everything else.
Oh, okay.
Now these x-rays will show us just to make sure everything is healthy. This is our x-ray ring holder. This is the sensor. It's gonna go right next to your teeth. You're gonna bite just like this. Wonderful. Bite down slowly. Good job. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Good job. Open big. Perfect. Cowboy Jack, I'm going to show you to your room.
All right, we're gonna go to our room. Those x-rays were really cool.
Okay. If you want to have a seat right in here.
Oh, wow.
Stand up.
This is really great. What a cool chair. This doesn't look like any kind of chairs I have at home. It actually looks really comfortable. All right, so you want me to sit on it?
Yes, sir. Have a seat.
Okay, they want me to sit on it. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, guys, I'm all sat up in my chair and I've got this on. This will protect my vest from getting any water or anything on it. I wouldn't want to stain my vest. This is actually called a bib. Kind of like what babies wear, but I'm a big kid. I'm not wearing a bib. It's to protect me. And then they gave me these really cool sunglasses. These are gonna be so fun to wear. Ooh, I feel styling. Do I look good?
You look great, Cowboy Jack.
All right, that's so cool.
You ready? I'm going to lay your chair back.
Okay,
The light will shine just a tad,
okay.
but the sunglasses will protect you.
Whoa, I'm laying on back. My cowboy hat's kind of getting in the way, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off for a second. Hey, no laughing at my hair.
Okay, Cowboy Jack, here's my light. And if you keep your chin up just a tad, it'll help.
Wow, that's a really bright light, but my eyes are protected by these really cool sunglasses you gave me.
Perfect. Okay, so I have my mirror here.
That's a mirror?
Yes, it's just to help take a look at all your teeth, okay?
Okay.
Open big. Perfect. Oh, wow, Cowboy Jack, you do a great job keeping your teeth clean.
It's really hard to talk like that. I try really hard to keep my teeth clean. I make sure that I brush them twice a day, and I always floss as well. You should make sure you do that at home.
Okay, so first I'm going to use portable toothbrush that we will use on your teeth.
Okay, wow, it looks really neat.
Oh yeah.
No cords or anything, huh?
No cords.
Wow, that kind of looks like my toothbrush I use at home.
Perfect. Open. Great job. Let's rinse you up.
Wow. What is that?
This is an air water. It squirts a little bit of air and some water, but I won't squirt you.
Okay.
I also have Mr. Thirsty here, my section. It'll take any water and flavor out of your mouth.
How cool is that? They can squirt water in my mouth and then they can suck it out so I don't have to spit or anything like that.
Here we go. Close your lips. Great job.
Wow, that even kind of tickled. That was so fun.
Okay.
You know what? My teeth feel a lot cleaner even already.
Wonderful. Well, now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Use a little bit of floss. My toothbrush can't get in between your teeth. So I'm going to use that. Open big. Great job. Wonderful. You're doing great, Cowboy Jack. Perfect.
Wow, that was just like I floss at home, but she's able to see a lot better than I am. You know, with my mirror at home and my light, it's not this bright. So when she does it, she can get at all kinds of different angles and make sure it's super duper clean.
Okay, Cowboy Jack. Let me just do one final look and one final rinse, and I will have Dr. Kinney come on over and take a look. Close your lips. Great job. You're doing so wonderful, Cowboy Jack.
Wow.
I'm going to sit you up, okay?
All right. Well, since I'm going to sit up for a minute, I might as well put this hat on so you guys will quit laughing at my hair. Whew.
Okay. You go get Dr. Kinney. He'll be right in, okay, Cowboy Jack?
All right. Wow, I can't wait to meet Dr. Kinney. This is so neat. I'm going to take these shades off. They're really, really cool. I don't think they're quite cowboy style.
Is this Cowboy Jack?
Are you Dr. Kinney?
Hey there, Dr.
Wow. Hey, Dr. Kinney, I'm Cowboy Jack. It's so nice to meet you.
Good to meet you too. Hey, you look kind of familiar.
You know what? You look kind of familiar too. Hey.
Never mind.
I don't know where that was coming from. How's it going today, Doc?
Pretty good day today. I'm here to check on your teeth. How's everything feeling in there?
I feel great. She did an amazing job. My teeth feel so much cleaner already.
All right, great. Well, any of your teeth hurting you or bothering you?
No, I mean, I feel like I've got some really good teeth.
All right, well, let's take a quick look. Cowboy Jack, we're gonna lean your chair back, okay?
All right, I go back again.
Go for a ride here.
I better take my hat off one more time.
Now, Cowboy Jack, I'm gonna put some gloves on, and we're gonna put a mask on. I'm gonna use these special glasses.
Do I need to put on my shades again?
I think you better.
Okay. I think things are fixing to get bright.
All right, so I'm gonna put on my mask here and these special glasses.
Wow, what do those special glasses do?
These are called loupes, and they help me magnify what I see so I can see your teeth really, really well.
They're called loupes, like a hula hoop?
Kinda.
Okay, those are cool.
All right, watch this. Things are about to get really bright. I'm gonna turn this flashlight on.
Wow.
Your mouth is a pretty dark place, so I need these to see.
Look at that, Dr. Kinney has a flashlight right on his loupes.
All right, Cowboy Jack. First thing I'm gonna start with is just by taking a look with my little mirror, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's take a good look here. Cowboy Jack, you're a little bit bigger than most of my patients.
Well, I consider myself just a big kid at heart.
Okay, makes sense. All right. Well, can you open up big like an alligator? Whoa, look at there. Boy, that's a mouthful of healthy teeth. Let's see how everything's chomping together. Let's see, Cowboy Jack, can you bite your teeth together? Looks like Cowboy Jack is class 1. He's got a great bite. Man, Paola did a fantastic job getting those teeth all cleaned up. No, gosh, let's see, about 10% overbite, 1 millimeter of overjet. Fantastic. Let's see, Cowboy Jack, can you open up big again? Let's see, let's count those teeth. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 on the top. Holy mackerel, Cowboy Jack. That's a full set of teeth. And 16 teeth on the bottom. How many does that make? Let's see, that makes 32.
Yeah, 16 times 2, that's 32. I've always prided myself on having a lot of teeth.
Good job, Cowboy Jack. Next thing I'm going to use is this little instrument. Might look a little scary, but it's nothing to be scared about. It's called an Explorer. It helps me check all your teeth.
Okay, well it looks just curved, kind of like a candy cane. That's fun.
There you go. All right, Cowboy Jack, let's open big. Let's see, I'm checking out all these teeth here. Boy, Cowboy Jack, you take good care of your teeth. I see a mouthful of healthy teeth here. Wow, great checkup, no cavities.
Whoa, no cavities, that's so cool. That's probably because I do an extra careful job of brushing my teeth twice a day.
All right, Cowboy Jack, the last thing we're gonna do, we got some special vitamins we like to paint on your teeth, okay?
You paint them on my teeth?
Yes, sir. This is called fluoride, and fluoride's kind of like a vitamin for your teeth. Helps keep your teeth strong and healthy.
Wow, well I take vitamins every day to stay healthy. Makes sense that we would put some on my teeth, right?
Yeah. So I'm gonna use this tiny, soft little paintbrush, and I'm gonna dip it in do you like bubblegum flavored?
Oh, I love bubblegum.
All right, you're in for a real treat here, Cowboy Jack.
Hey, could you paint me some happy trees on my teeth?
Hey, I'll do my best, all right? Here we go. Let's see. Ooh, there's a happy tree. Let's see. Let's see if I can draw a Cowboy Jack here. Oh, you know what? I'm not very good at staying in the lines. Here we go. Well, how do they feel, Cowboy Jack?
Wow, that's really cool. And it does taste like bubblegum.
Great.
You know, Dr. Kenny here is no Bob Ross, but I think he did a pretty great job of painting my teeth. That's so cool.
All right, Cowboy Jack. Let's sit your chair up. Boy, I know you were a little bit nervous today for your appointment, but I think you did great.
Oh, I didn't feel nervous at all. You guys made this all so much fun. I had a great time getting my teeth cleaned. I'm gonna go ahead and put my cowboy hat back on. Whew, yeah, I feel like myself again. You know what, Dr. Kenny? He does look really familiar. That's like deja vu, I don't know. Anyways, all right. Well, thank you so much for checking out my teeth for me.
You're welcome. Looks like Miss Paula got you a prize here.
A prize?
Cowboy Jack, you did so good today.
Whoa, whoops. Forgot to take off my bib. I got so excited about the prize.
Here you go.
Wow, thank you so much. Look at this. You guys see this balloon? What color is that? Yeah, that's blue. And it says Georgetown Pediatric, Dentistry, and Orthodontics, because that's where we're at today. Wow. Hey, thanks, Dr. Kenny and Paula. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Cowboy Jack. We'll see you in 6 months, okay?
6 months? Yeah, that's important. You need to come to the dentist every 6 months. It's a whole lot of fun. And man, my teeth just feel so amazing right now. I mean, it almost feels like they got some kind of shiny stuff on them because they're so smooth. You'll love coming to the dentist.
All right, well, follow me, Cowboy Jack.
See you later, Cowboy
All right,
Jack.
thanks, Dr. Kenny. I really appreciate it.
All right, take good care of those teeth.
This is kind of a long hallway. It might be kind of fun to skip down it since I'm so excited. You guys want to skip with me? Come on.
All right.
Wow. Who knew the dentist could be so much fun? This is great.
You want to check out Cowboy Jack for me?
I would love to check
This
out Cowboy
is
Jack.
Cowboy Jack. He is all done for today and scheduled for his next visit. We'll see you back in 6 months.
All right. Hey, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
You did a fantastic job on my teeth. I feel so much better.
You are a wonderful patient. Thank you for
All
your
right.
Thank you, Rachel.
I'm good.
You are good.
All
Want to schedule another cleaning in 6
She already scheduled me. It's already all set up. That's so cool. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much.
Bye-bye, Cowboy Jack.
All right, cowboys and cowgirls. Does my teeth look really clean? I bet my teeth look really clean now. That was so much fun getting them cleaned, and I'm glad you got to come with me today. I'm so glad we were here at Georgetown Pediatric Dentistry and Orthodontics today in Georgetown, Texas. Wow. All right, so if you had a good time with me today and you want to watch all of our other adventures, make sure to click subscribe on YouTube right now. All right, but until next time, when we see you again, yeah!